So today's experiment in whether something lives up to the hype or not has to do with a um, ice cream sandwich brand called Nightingale, and I'm part of like a Nova Foodies Facebook group, and everybody's been raving about these ice cream sandwiches for the past like month or so. So I've been really curious. I'm not really like a big desserts person myself, but I wanted to check it out. So I went and bought four from a sweet little mom and pop shop in Boston Metro called Natural Cafe. So here we go. We've got Choco Cocoa flavor. We've got Miso Churro. I'm like really excited about this one because it sounds weird. The classic, and this one's specifically for my husband who always wants to try like the most classic version of anything. Like a pizza, he just wants to try a cheese pizza. A hamburger, he just wants to get the regular hamburger and judge the place based on how well they do their classic take on things. And this is strawberry shortcake. This is one of the most popular flavors. Okay, so here we have the classic. It's just the regular ice cream sandwich. That's a good cookie. Like the ice cream's pretty good, but I think the cookie makes it. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think it's worth the hype, especially at $3.99 rather than $5.
What you got?
All right, so the next one that's super hype is the strawberry shortcake. People seem to really like this flavor. That's really good strawberry ice cream. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, my teeth hurt.
Yeah.
And then this is Choco Cocoa. It's got like I don't know what this middle thing is. It's like there's something white in it. Maybe it's coconut. Oh, Choco Cocoa. Let's see. Oh, that's the best ice cream so far. Oh, that chocolate ice cream is not a joke.
No.
And this is the miso churro one. Smells cinnamony.
Less cookie, I think.
There's less spice
Yeah.
in the cookie. Oh wow, that smells so nice when you're eating it. Yeah, I definitely. Whoa. The more you chew the cookie, the more the spice comes out. That's really nice.
Yeah. That's actually my favorite, I think.
Yeah, I think my least favorite is the classic. I think the Choco Cocoa has the best ice cream. The miso churro has the best cookie. And then the strawberry shortcake is good. It's like a nice, I wouldn't say it's the best at anything. It's just really nice.
Yeah, the cookie's a bit too hard.
It is a little hard. And like the classic went all in on the ice cream. Like it's a little overwhelming how much ice cream there is. But it's really good. So there's like 10 other flavors like key lime that I'd love to try. There's lavender Earl Grey, and like there was like a banana pudding, but I'm not really a big fan of banana, so I didn't want to try it. But now I'm like curious.
It's not bad.
Yeah. All right, worth the hype.
No.
Lived up to the hype.